Hello everyone! We're going to bake red velvet cupcakes. All-purpose flour, sugar, cocoa powder, vanilla, red food coloring, baking soda, baking powder, iodized salt, eggs, butter, buttermilk. To make a homemade buttermilk, you need 1 tablespoon white vinegar or lemon juice and 1 cup fresh milk. Stir and let stand for 5 minutes. For our cream cheese frosting, we need icing sugar, cream cheese, and butter. Before we make our cupcakes, we need to preheat our oven to 350 degrees. To prepare our butter, combine together the butter and sugar and mix using our electric hand mixer. Add the eggs, mix until well combined, then set aside. We will mix together all dry ingredients: all-purpose flour, cocoa powder, baking soda, baking powder, and iodized salt. Mix until well combined. Set your mixer to low speed. Add half of our dry ingredients and half of our buttermilk to the butter. Make sure everything is well combined before adding the remaining dry ingredients and buttermilk. Careful that you don't overmix it. Using a spatula, mix the butter from the bottom, making sure nothing is left stuck to the side of the bowl. Add vanilla and mix well. Then add the food coloring to get the desired red color of your cupcakes. Prepare our baking pan with cupcake liners. Using our ice cream scoop, scoop the butter evenly to the pan. Bake for 18 to 20 minutes or until the toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. Allow to cool completely. To make our cream cheese frosting, simply combine the butter and cream cheese in a bowl. Using our electric hand mixer, mix until well combined. Add the icing sugar and mix well or until we reach the right consistency of a thick frosting. Simply frost your cupcakes using your piping bag fitted with your desired thick design. This is how simple it is to make a special homemade red velvet cupcakes. Enjoy baking!